Hey guys, it's Kay, and today we're gonna be painting on these pots. So these pots have been sitting on my TV stand for a while, and they were looking really ugly, if I'm being polite. So I decided to paint them and make them look a little bit more cuter. To make the colors look a bit more pastel, I mixed them with white. Starting off, I colored everything white, so when I do use the actual colors, everything would be more pigmented. And now I'm quickly painting the other pot. So now that the pots are painted, I'll wait for them to dry. Now that they've dried, let's continue painting. I'm gonna paint over this part with some green after I'm done painting it white, so that it'll be more vibrant. Since green is my favorite color, I'm painting it over with some mint green, and then I'm going to paint on some flowers. So now I'm painting on some yellow flowers. So I painted over them with a brighter color of yellow because they were really dark and not showing up on the pot. After the flowers dried, I added some details. I painted the top of the petal with some yellowish brown, and then I blended it in so it looks nice. I painted the leaves with this dark green. I wanted to add some leaves popping out, and then I also added some stems for most of the flowers. I changed the green in the background to this lighter green. I really like how bright this green looks, and it made the flowers and the leaves pop out more. painting the edges with the same green I used for the rest of the pot. So now I'm painting the other pot. I didn't really know what design I wanted to do on this one, so I just randomly took the red color and I started painting, and I made this like weird flower shape, and I kind of figured it out as I was going. So I decided to paint the inside of the pot as well, and I made it a mix of all the colors I used for the flowers. I also added some white to blend it in. I painted this pot with the same red color I used for the flower on the other pot. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!